All right, what's up, guys? It's Mark here at DynoTrading coming at you with today's wild market trading recap. Let's get into it. And all I can tell you guys is what a day for a sell-off. All right, I am absolutely convinced that you can make more money as a trader from sell-off days like we had today where the market just absolutely plunged. And yes, I'm going to talk to you about this perfect textbook retracement pattern that showed up, nailing the sell signal from today's beautiful charts, okay? But you have to appreciate, man, the power of a sell-off, okay? And maybe you guys have already gleaned this in your own observations from trading. Isn't it interesting how when the market's going up, the market goes up nice and slow. But when the market goes down, it just plunges, right? And so one of the things that you have to do as a professional trader, okay, or maybe as somebody who's aspiring to become a professional trader, right? One of the things that you have to get good at is just keeping your cool, all right? Staying calm, staying disciplined, and doing your best to spot, identify, and locate the best trading setups. What do I mean by best? Well, case in point, okay, you guys know what's coming next, right? This green and red color band that you see overlaid on top of the chart is our proprietary volume indicator. What this thing does is it tells you who's in control, okay? If it's green, the buyer's in control, and if it's red, like it was pretty much all day today, this tells you that the sellers are in control, and there's a better chance than not that the market's going to keep trending down. To put it another way, if you tried to buy the market today when it was so clearly and obviously red, then shame on you, right? Because you are a counter trend trader, and a counter trend trader is somebody who's asking for trouble. Being a counter trend trader is an absolute disaster, as so many of you guys and gals out there have figured out for yourselves, right? There's countless people that contacting me every day that tell me all sorts of sob stories, and a majority of these people have blown out numerous trading accounts, okay? So don't be that guy, okay? Implement some common sense in your technical analysis and your charts, okay? And what do I mean by common sense? Well, what I mean by common sense is if the market's trending down, then go with the trend. Right? You ever heard that saying, stick with the trend is your friend, stick with the trend until the end? That's not just an old wives' tale. Believe it or not, guys and gals, there's actually a science and a methodology to trend trading, especially when you have a very powerful piece of trend trading software like this. I mean, this ain't no joke, all right? So anyway, let me tell you what a setup looks like. Now, I know half you guys might know what's coming next, but the other half, you guys still have no idea, because a shockingly large number of you guys and gals out there are still using these garbage charts. I know you are. And I don't know how you can interpret a chart that looks like this, right? Like these squiggly Bollinger Bands or stochastics or any oscillator. What does it mean, right? When you look at this chart, how do you determine when a trend has started? How do you determine when to get in on that trend? And more important, how do you know when the trend ends, right? That's why I call this chart garbage. And I still have no idea, like I'm befuddled every day when I see people using charts like this. It just makes no sense whatsoever. All right. So anyway, back to the professional chart display. This is a chart that makes sense to me, and it's a difference maker in my trading, okay? So check this out. You guys know what's coming next, okay? When this indicator is red, you already know that tells you that your favored direction is to play it short. Shame on you if you try to play it long when it's red. You're just asking for trouble, okay? Now, how do you play it, right? Especially on a day like today. Today was a great use case, by the way, okay? Because we actually came into the market when it was already in a heavy downtrend, right? And what's my initial reaction? Okay, what did I tell you guys at the beginning of this video? Always keep your cool, always stay calm, and always try to look for very good setups. Now, for those of you guys that have been with me for a long time, all of my active customers, all of my long-term subscribers, I know you crushed it today on this setup. So what are the details of this setup? Why is this one here classified as a sell signal? Well, I'm going to tell you, okay? The best chart pattern to look for every day on any symbol, okay, in my humble opinion, is this retracement. You understand what I'm saying? I mean, to be honest with you guys, you could not have asked for a better setup from today. This is just perfection at its finest, okay? Now, what is a retracement? Well, essentially, guys and gals, and please make sure you really absorb what I'm about to tell you right now, okay? A retracement pattern is when the market establishes a very nice downtrend, okay? But then it starts to pull up a little bit, right? Giving you the impression or the illusion that maybe the downtrend is over. And this is where all the retail traders and the amateurs get suckered into the market thinking that the downtrend is over. And then what happens is we get one of these. Okay, let me go ahead and zoom in here. So let's get you really dialed in here. You guys know what this is, right? This is a red reversal bar that closed on or against the color band, where this red reversal bar is also above the color band. You with me? This bar right here is your potential clue that the downtrend might not be over. Now, obviously, you don't know for sure if the downtrend is over, right? But as traders, we got to go with our gut. We got to go with whatever the chart is telling us. We're not guessing, we're not gambling, we're just trying to make an educated guess and put the odds in our favor while also using very strong risk management practices. You with me? So listen, guys, when you see a pattern like this, such a beautiful retracement, and the volume indicator is so clearly and obviously red, then this is your potential short signal. Okay? And so what we would look to do is potentially go short on the open of the next bar. Our stop loss location would go 1 or 2 ticks above this bar's high. I call this the signal bar's high. And you guys know what happened, right? Let me fit this to scale. You guys know what happened the rest of the trading session, right? This market just collapsed. As if it already wasn't collapsing, okay, into the market open today. It spent the rest of the day getting clobbered. Like, it just went straight down. And we got in all the way back here. Our stop loss was there to protect ourselves if something went wrong. It didn't. We lucked out today and caught a tremendous 280 tick potential today. Okay? Just following a simple color band within the context of retracements. Look, guys and gals, these moves are happening on a daily basis. I don't even know what's going to happen tomorrow, but I'm willing to bet that we're going to see some similar setups tomorrow. Big shout out and congratulations to all of my new customers who onboarded over the last couple of days. I'm so happy that you guys decided to get involved at really what I think is the right time to get involved in trading the market, and I can't wait to see if we're going to get these exact same setups tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.